Imagine this: a single digital dashboard where every piece of your safety program lives. Your wearables feed live data. Your mobile apps submit observations and checklists. Your training records, equipment inspections, hazard maps, compliance metrics, they all update in real time, all in one place. That's not just convenient. That's transformational. In episode 6 of The Future is Safe, we're stepping into the world of safety software platforms. Those all-in-one systems that don't just collect data, but connect it. The goal? Integration. Not just tools that work well, but tools that work together. Let's rewind a few years. Safety programs used to live in silos. One system for training, another for incident reports, a spreadsheet for inspections, paper forms for audits, a filing cabinet stuffed with certifications, and one lone person who knew where to find them. And good luck trying to get a bird's-eye view of it all without a mountain of manual work. It wasn't just inefficient, it was risky. Critical data was lost in translation or never surfaced in time to prevent the next incident. Now, platforms like Salus, Cority, EcoOnline, and Intelex are changing that. These systems centralize everything. One login, one interface, one source of truth. When a worker files a hazard report from the field, it instantly syncs to the inspection database. When a piece of equipment fails a checklist, the system automatically flags it for maintenance and links the event to your asset history. When a near miss is reported, the training department is notified to roll out a refresher. All automatically, all instantly, and all traceable. But let's be clear, this isn't just about data consolidation, it's about smarter decision-making. With everything connected, safety managers aren't just reacting to problems, they're spotting trends before they become patterns. Maybe heat stress reports spike on certain job sites. Maybe fall protection violations occur more frequently during second shifts. Maybe a new training module leads to a drop in near misses. Integrated platforms let you see those patterns. They help you ask better questions. They help you build proactive strategies. And they give you the tools to act fast. And this matters. According to a Verdantix global survey, 69% of EHS leaders say their top goal is improving visibility across operations. Why? Because you can't fix what you can't see. And fragmented systems blur the picture. Integration brings clarity, and with clarity comes control. In a connected worksite, everything flows into that central hub. Wearables send alerts for fatigue and location tracking. Environmental sensors detect gas leaks or noise levels beyond threshold. Digital permits to work and confined space entries are logged in real time. Worker certifications can be pulled up instantly before assigning high-risk tasks. It's all there, living, breathing, and evolving. Let's take a real-world example. A contractor on a high-rise reports a loose handrail using a mobile app. The report is geotagged and uploaded to the safety platform. The system automatically flags it for inspection. Meanwhile, the platform checks the site's safety history and finds 2 similar handrail issues in the past month. It notifies the safety officer to conduct a full audit. Then it sends an anonymous trend alert to the project team and recommends a refresher training module, assigned and tracked through the same system. If maintenance doesn't happen within 24 hours, an automated escalation is triggered. This entire loop happens with almost no human handoff. That's the future, that's integration. And now we're seeing AI enter the picture. Predictive analytics can detect when 3 or more conditions converge: fatigue scores, rising heat index, and increased shift hours. The system predicts elevated risk and alerts safety managers before a single person reports a problem. Imagine identifying the conditions that typically precede a sprain, a fall, or a confined space exposure, and mitigating them before they even emerge. It's not science fiction. This kind of insight used to be buried in spreadsheets or forgotten in safety binders. Now it's in your hands, in real time. The ripple effect of integration reaches far and wide. Companies report reduced duplication of work, fewer missed inspections, lower administrative overhead, faster training cycles, and stronger compliance records. But there's another result, and it's the most human one of all: trust. When workers see their reports leading to action, when they're not asked to fill out the same form 5 different ways, when they know their voices are heard and tracked, they participate more. The culture becomes participative, not punitive. They stop seeing safety systems as rules to work around, and instead see them as support systems they can rely on. And here's something that's often overlooked. Integrated platforms don't just help safety teams. They help HR, operations, and even finance. Cost tracking tied to injury data, productivity metrics linked to incident trends, vendor performance tied to safety audits. Everyone benefits when the dots are connected, but that doesn't mean it's easy. No platform works right out of the box without some level of adaptation. Integration takes time, customization matters, and implementation can fail without strong leadership and engagement. The companies that do it best, they start with their people. They involve workers in shaping workflows. They invest in training, not just technology. And they treat the platform as a living part of their culture, not just a compliance checkbox. And you don't have to be a multinational to make it work. Smaller contractors, family-run operations, and growing firms are adopting modular platforms that scale. Many offer low-cost, mobile-first options with drag-and-drop builders, offline access for remote work, and analytics dashboards designed for the non-tech user. Whether you're managing 5 workers or 500, integration is within reach, because staying manual is no longer neutral, it's a liability. The world moves faster than ever. Expectations are higher, risks are more complex, and the future of safety depends on our ability to stay ahead, not just catch up. In our final episode of the series, we'll explore how safety technologies aren't just protecting the body, they're supporting the mind. Because when your systems talk to each other, your people can focus on what matters most, making it home safe every single day.